Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to cut my hair into a bob just to cut off my straight pieces. I feel like my hair right now is kind of similar to when I was transitioning. I have super thick new growth, and then like my ends are like those straggly transitioning ends. So I definitely want to get all that cut off. So I probably will give me a cute little bob. But for now, we got a little bob wig. I don't think this one is as short as I want it to be. This is 12 inches. So I probably want like a 10-inch bob, but we're gonna try this one. I got this one from Asteria hair. It's one of those pre-cut, pre-plucked wigs, so I don't have to do any cutting to it. It also comes with a elastic strap, so we're gonna try this on. Okay. Yeah, this is still too long. This is 12 inches. Okay. Yeah, this is long. I definitely want this to be like this short. Every time I cut a wig, I just feel like it never turns out right. Even though I probably could cut this. I probably could cut this myself. Not on my head because my hair is sticking out all over and I would probably cut my own hair. So honestly, I might give this wig a little trim. Let's see. If I were to trim this wig, I'm definitely cutting it to like here. Or should I not cut it? I want to cut it. It just needs to be a little bit shorter. I like the length of it, but it's too long. So, like here will be cute. Let's try that. So once I start this, I'm gonna cut this off camera so I don't mess it up on my head. So. Trying to see to make sure this. Yeah, I want it to like graze my shoulder. And honestly, these are hair scissors, but I feel like they're so dull right now. They don't cut as good. Let's see. That's cute. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut this off camera because this is cute. Perfect. This is exactly how I want to get my real hair cut. It's not as straight. Yeah, I want my hair this short. My real hair. I want a blunt cut. I might get a little shorter than that. Because I'm still growing out like front layers. But I love this. So I'm gonna cut this. And then I'll be back. So I'm back. It's not the best, but she's cute. From the front. And like a glance at the back. So I ended up putting this wig cap on because I just think it looks better. Well, the wig fits better when I have the wig cap on. So let me show y'all. Okay, my wig cap slid back. I'm probably end up taking, I just don't like the little line of demarcation. Maybe I could fix it, but okay. The cut, it's not the best. It's not even. It's definitely not even, but this side's longer, or is it? Is it? This side, let's see. So this is what we look like from the front. She's cute from the side. I don't know what the back look like. Yeah, I kind of is giving this. So I'm going to have to fix that. But for now, let's just pay attention to the front. And I'm going to spray the lace with the lace tint. I'm going to see what this looks like. Because I've used this before. And I know the color is a little off. So I'm not going to spray too much. Because I didn't bleach the knots on this lace. It's too much, I think. It literally looks a little different. It's a little darker, you can tell. Yeah. The lace blends in with my skin without the spray. With the spray, it's a little dark, I think. I also think I'm going to get rid of the cap. Or maybe push the cap back to here just so you can't see this line. Or I can put some makeup on it. Yeah, you can still see like the line on the cap. I hate that, and I hate when you can see it on other people's wig. So yeah. What I'm gonna end up doing is just pushing the cap back because it's serving me no purpose. Oh, this is great. This is great. I'm gonna spray some hairspray on it so we don't move. Probably should put the makeup on after. And y'all know me, I really just be like spraying the front. That looks cool. Let's take the comb and brush that hair. I'm gonna go in actually with my blow dry brush, and I'm gonna like so cute. I love this little, I love this. From Asteria hair. I just know I'm gonna have to get the back in order because it's definitely a little, it's like stacked a little bit. So I'm gonna have to thin that out back there. But so far, like, the outline is cute. The bob is a bobbin. And this length is perfect. I'll probably cut my hair this length. But then I also want a bang. So I feel like I need to try like a bang bob. Because do I want to bob with a bang or do I just want to bob with the middle part? Why not just get a bang? Just get a bang. But I know I'm going to get tired of the bang. And if I cut a bang, then I'm going to have to wait for that to grow out too. And I'm going to be annoyed because y'all know I love my middle part weave. So this is cute. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this week. And I'll be sure to list all of Asteria's hair information in the info box for you guys, as well as a direct link for the wig that I'm wearing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.